Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yes, it does look a bit different behind me. I decided I need a different resource dedicated that I can make videos from. I'm still dealing with a sound issue on the highway behind me. Can't work around that one. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Any comments are more than welcome. So over the weekend we've been to Startline and we had a look at the service they offer, what they offer and what they do and what makes them tick. Please guys, support them. Website address is Startline.Co.Za, but it's self-explanatory in the video that will follow. Cool. The next video after this one is I'm starting to compile the tubeless conversion, which took 2 days and was a lot of work, but there's a lot of detail in the video. So guys, enjoy it and interact with me. Let me know what you guys want to see. Until later, and enjoy the video. Cheers. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today I'm here with Wandile at Startline in Edenvale, and I would like you to tell the public a bit more about your shop, who you guys are, who you supply to, and where can people contact you.
Okay, no, thank you, Frank. Well, Startline is an international brand. We're owned by a company called Motorward, who does our wholesale. So they furbish our stores. There are 3 current stores, but the company is looking to expand across the country. It's time for growth. So we also export to other countries, neighboring countries, Zimbabwe, Zambia, and Namibia. Namibia is our top country where we export to. Where people can contact us, we've got our email address and a website, but I'll get into those. The website is www.startline.co.za, where customers can have an experience of what we do. There are 3 icons there. There's where our branches are. There's also our contact details. But here in Joburg, our contact details are, the landline is 011-452-0532. That's the landline number. Then we also got a cell phone number. Our WhatsApp number is only for pictures.
Okay, yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah, it's the number is 083-661-3711. And then we also got an email address, which is edenvale@startline.co.za. And so the customers can always email us orders and stuff through there. It's a lot quicker via email, so that's why we always suggest to contact us via email rather than landline.
Yeah, so what I'm used to doing with you guys is I'll have a look and I'll download the catalog, make sure to get the latest catalog off your website, and then have a look at the part numbers, and I'll put in the bill of quantities, what I need, and the part code number, which makes life easier for you. And then EFT, and then we usually just send a courier and come and collect it.
It does work easier like that. Or sometimes, if we give a part number over the phone, there's sometimes the person doesn't hear properly. There's that lack of. But now when it's on email, it's a lot quicker, because you can see what the customer wants. You know what they want. Even the quantity, it's easier to check that way.
Absolutely.
It doesn't eat too much time. Even the online service is one of our top priorities, because it's a lot quicker than being on the phone.
Absolutely, yes.
10 minutes, And email's quick, 2 minutes, you get the email back.
And service has always been great. But you have quite a range of things that you offer, mirrors.
So basically what we do our main focus is service spares. So service spares in terms of your oil filter, air filter, spark plug, brake pads, oil, batteries, clutch plates, things that customers, the general public can work on at home. You don't need to take it to a bike store for them to order spares and all that. It's like a DIY
Now, this is exactly what the channel is about. We're
Yeah.
showing people how to DIY their own things. Yeah.
Because like even when I started here 4 or 5 years ago, I knew nothing about bikes.
Yeah.
Like literally nothing. But today, yeah, there's a few things that I know here and there. But yeah, so the store is mostly for those guys who are DIY, do it yourself. It's not like an engine, and as you can see in the store, we've got a few accessories, things that you can change in a matter of 2 minutes. I mean,
Absolutely.
you don't need heavy machinery and stuff. So basically, we also just are dealers of DID chains. We're number 2 in that. We also distribute motor oil.
I've seen the motors 5100 and 7100 full synthetic.
Startline's number 1 in the country in that regard. So yeah, so basically we focus mostly on service spares, but we do have those bits and ends for motorcycles, quad bikes, cruisers, and super bikes. Delivery bikes is also a big market now.
Absolutely, yeah.
Which has come in. We also cater for your old bikes from dating 1970s.
I mean, I bought a bunch of stuff on the old XR500 rebuild, the Africa Twin that I did. Yeah, no, you supplied a lot of things there.
Yeah, so yeah, we do try and keep a lot of, because our boss actually, he's a old school bike fan. So hence you would see some mirrors here and some grips and some tank pads, switches.
I remember the case where we bought 2 chains and they snapped on separate occasions, and your boss didn't ask questions, supplied new sprockets, chain, there we go.
Yeah, no, that's
awesome service.
Yeah, he believes in customer service. That's one thing he'll always drive into us, his employees, is that customer service
It's number 1.
Number 1. You have to have a good brand. Startline it's a fairly new company in the industry. It's about 13, 14 years old. So yeah, we're trying to build a strong brand.
Yeah, but you guys have every time come back to me with what we required. If you didn't have stock, you would have organized it from Cape Town or Durban side, bring the stock up. But yeah, guys, I'll put the detail on screen and in the link below. Please support them. Startline, they have, if they don't have what you require, they'll tell you straight up forward. But they have a lot of things. Don't be fooled. They have quite a range of stock. Give them a buzz and support them. And yeah, I'll do a bit of a walkthrough that you can see some of the items that they have here. But anything else from your side further?
Well, I would like to thank you for coming in and giving us some support here and promoting our brand. It doesn't go unnoticed. I mean, I'm sure that most of your friends, colleagues, they come here because you have put our name there in the public space, which we do much appreciate your time, for you even coming in and interviewing us. And it's something nice, a gesture that.
I mean, it's the first time I've actually, since we've been dealing for like years,
on the mail,
and this is the first time I came in, and so now we can put a face against the names.
Which is nice, actually.
It is,
to see
yeah.
the person you deal with over
Absolutely,
the phone
yeah.
and email, and we do really appreciate this effort from you yourself. You one of our top customers.
I appreciate that.
You always buying and supporting us in any way. So we really do appreciate your effort.
Thank you very much, Wandile. Well, guys, support them. I'll put the detail out. Please, Wandile and staff is here. They will more than be able to help you with whatever you require. Right. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.